All right, here we are on 7E, interactive truth table, set number 2, number 9. Create a truth table, determine whether the following is contingent, a tautology, or a self-contradiction. So with this kind of problem, you're going to run the truth table in a normal way that you should be familiar with by now. And we're going to try to determine the truth values of the main operator, which is the truth value of the whole compound statement. And then we're going to look at that main operator column in the truth tables, and we're going to interpret it based on the definitions of contingency, tautology, and self-contradiction. So the interesting part of this kind of problem is the last step where you interpret it. Let me start by running the truth table. Again, I'm going to start with the logical connective, which directly apply to a simple statement. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to go first inside the parentheses. I'm going to start with this negation, which of course ranges only over the P. All right, so we got false, false, true, true. Now I'm going to go to the horseshoe, and I'm looking at the antecedent column is under the negation sign because the antecedent is not P, not just P, but not P. So here's the antecedent, and then here's the consequent. All right, so I've got true, 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 and false. Now I'm going to come over here to this disjunction inside the parentheses, and I've got true, 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 and false. Now I can determine the truth value of the main operator of this whole compound statement, which is the horseshoe here, which is the only logical connective outside of parentheses, and that means it's got to be the main operator. It ranges over everything. So I'm looking at the antecedent column is here, and the consequent column is here. So I've got if true, then true. That makes it true. Line 2, if true, then true, true. Line 3, if true, then true, true. And line 4, if false, I know is true. So now I want to interpret these results. I've got all true truth values and under the main operator. And that means that this statement is a tautology. Now, how did I know that? Because by definition, a tautology is when every line of the truth table, the main operator is true. So you just got to know those definitions. If there had been a mix of trues and falses, it would have been contingent. And if it had been all falses, it would have been a self-contradiction. But in this case, it is a tautology.